Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's localize the device unlock option, I believe. Let's tap on it. And then let's enter face and fingerprint unlock. Let's tap on the fingerprint. Of course, give all the permissions. And before we'll be able to set the fingerprint, we have to add the regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. So let me quickly do it. I'll choose the pattern. Here we've got the information why we really need to do that. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the lock screen. So let's tap on continue. Let me quickly draw the pattern, redraw it. And now we can add the fingerprint. So here we've got the information about the screen protectors, that they may affect the sensor as it is placed under the screen. So here all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, let's tap on done. I don't want to use face unlock, and as you can see, this is the the options connected with the fingerprint. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on the three dots icon or remove it. We can add another fingerprint. Here we've got the option fingerprint for hidden apps, which is available only if you will have more than one fingerprint added. There you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. The fingerprint animation, you can change it, just tap on it, and here you can check available options, which are really nice. Just tap on the option and then it will be applied. Or maybe this one. Okay, let's go back, and here you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off, and I think it is quite comfortable to have it always on the screen, so keep it turned on. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the fingerprint sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.